So in the previous video, we have seen how we can blink this LED light with the digital pin 12. So in this video, we will take a look at how we can blink a series of LEDs, which will be 3 LEDs one by one every second. So what we will do is we will use a breadboard and a jumper wire to connect the LEDs with our Arduino board. So here is the breadboard that we are going to be using. So you can see it has different ports where we can connect the GPIO pins, and we will just remove this LED from the Arduino board. So what we will do is we will just connect this LEDs with our breadboard. So what I will do is I will just connect it in this format. I will just insert the negative end. The negative end is connected here, which will be providing the ground, and here is the digital pin that will be providing the digital signal. So we will connect the jumper wire in here, and one jumper wire will be connected to this series of ground connections that we will be needing. So I have connected one white LED. I will connect a green LED in the same format in here. I have attached it now. You can see two LEDs are connected, and I will connect a red LED as well in the same format. Now once we are done with that, we will connect an orange wire with this ground connection, and we will insert it in the ground connection of our Arduino board, and there will be 3 different color wires. I will attach here. I will connect it with the red wire with the red LED in this format. You can see it is connected next to the positive end of the LED, so it will send the digital signal. I will connect the green cable as well here. The green one will be connected to the positive end of the green LED, and I will connect the gray one to the white LED. And once we are done with the connection, we will just connect it with our Arduino board one by one. So we will connect the red LED to the pin 13, green LED to the pin 12, and the white LED to the pin 11. So let's do the connections. And the orange wire will go into the ground. First of all, I will connect the ground wire. The second one will be the red wire, which will go into the pin 13. The green will go in onto the pin 12 on the Arduino board. It started blinking as we have connected, and we have already uploaded the code for blinking the LED on the pin 12. Now we will connect the last LED on the pin 11. So here you can see how they are connected. So once we are done with it, we will move towards our code. So in the Arduino IDE, what we will do is we will create a new file in here, and we will just try to copy this entire code in there, in that new file that we have created, and we will just paste this code in here, and we will try to edit that code. So first of all, what we will do is we will just add the name of the LEDs in here. So I will type int LED underscore red equals to 13. The pin 12 one is the green LED, and we will define the white LED as well. That will be equals to pin 11, and we will just set the pin mode for all these pins. So I will just copy this code thrice here, and we will just add the name of the LEDs here. So I will just add it underscore red, underscore green, and at the end we'll add the white one here. And after that we just need to start writing the code here. So previously we have try to blink the one LED at a time. So now what we want to do is we want to blink the turn on the first LED and turn off that LED. Then the second LED should turn on, and the third LED should turn on once the second LED is off. So for that I will just replicate this code 2 times more, and here we will just change the name of that LEDs. So I will just add here red, underscore red, and then first of all it will turn on the red LED and it will turn off the red LED. Once that is done, it will turn on the green LED. So we'll just add here green. We'll do the same here. We want to turn off that LED and we want to turn on the white LED then after every 1 second, and this loop should go on infinitely. So I think this code should work. So we will just try to save this code. So we will just save this code with a name as multiple underscore LED underscore blink, and we will save this code, and we will verify the code by clicking on the verify button, and it should compile the code, and you can see there are no errors. So it means we have not missed any kind of syntax error. So let's just try to upload the code and see the output on our Arduino. So as you guys can see, our LEDs have started blinking, and you can see it on the output screen that our program is working perfectly fine, and it is blinking each LED one by one after every second. So this is how you can blink multiple LEDs in a series one by one for 1 second each. So if you have any doubts or issues regarding it, you can leave them in the Q&A session of the course, and I will be happy to help you out with that. So that was it for this session. Let's move to the next section of this course.